In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook account using your Gmail account. Whether you're new to social media or just want to stay connected with friends and family, setting up a Facebook account is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in facebook.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice two main options, the login and the sign up sections. You're going to want to click on Create New Account. This link is usually located below the login section, so keep an eye out for that. Upon clicking Create New Account, you'll be directed to the sign up form. Here, you'll begin by entering some necessary personal information. First, you need to provide your full name. This is the name your friends and family will use to find you on Facebook. Next, input your date of birth. Make sure it's accurate because Facebook uses it for age verification. You'll also need to select your gender from the options provided. Now, as you proceed, it's time to provide the essential information about yourself, including your Gmail address. Instead of using a phone number, we're going to click on the email option where you will enter your Gmail address. This will be associated with your new Facebook account and you'll receive important notifications here. The next step is quite crucial for your account's security. You need to create a strong password. Your password should be a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance its strength. Avoid using easily accessible information such as birthdays or simple sequences. This will help keep your account secure from unauthorized access. Once you have filled in all the required fields accurately and chosen a robust password, proceed to click on Sign Up. Clicking this button means you agree to Facebook's terms and conditions and have provided truthful information. After signing up, head over to your Gmail inbox. Facebook will send you a confirmation email to verify your new account. The email will contain a link that you need to click to complete the verification process. Once you've clicked on the verification link, your account will be activated. And there you have it, your Facebook account is successfully created and ready for use. This is a great way to stay connected with friends, share life updates, and explore new interests. Remember to explore the privacy settings once you log in to maintain control over what information you share. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new journey on Facebook.